Mix the cumin powder in ghee. Ghee is like clarified butter. Or we can mix cumin with something which is less constipating, like a fruit juice, for example. Then its constipating effect will go down. Now, external applications of cumin. Most of them like black pepper. They can reduce swelling. Leukoderma. Many skin diseases.
Muitos problemas de pele.
Many smaller growths over the skin.
Algumas coisas que crescem na pele.
Like moles,
verruga,
nodules.
nódulos.
Then some of them they have some growth in the eyelid.
Tem algumas coisas na pálpebra.
All such minor growths can be reduced with just cumin application externally. Now, abdominal pain is very common.
Dor na barriga é muito comum.
Almost everyone has experienced it many times.
Todo mundo já teve.
The first choice should be use cumin for abdominal pain.
A primeira coisa deveria ser usar cominho.
Dor abdominal, não é?
Mas sim. Não, aplicação externa.
You need external or eating.
No, for abdominal pain, eating. It can also be used to reduce fever
Para diminuir a febre.
of different types. And it can also be put in eyes as we discussed.
Também pode pôr no olho.
Again, to simplify, because we don't have much time, I am just trying to give as much as possible. So, cumin, without thinking much, you should add in your diet.
Tem que pôr na comida sem pensar.
In your everyday diet, there should be cumin.
Todo dia tem que comer comida.
Particularly non-vegetarian people,
Especialmente quem come
make it a
carne.
point that black pepper and cumin both are there.
Pimenta e cominho tem que
Asafoetida,
essa fétida
shall I go through this because it's not available, right?
não tem aqui.
Tem isso.
No, but shall I discuss this? No, this is too strong. Okay, I'll discuss it later.
Ele vai
If we will reserve it and if the time allows, we'll discuss it because right
What is
now.
the translation?
Ele vai falar depois.
Maybe I'll wind this slide and if you are interested at the end, I'll discuss it
Ele
again.
vai te falar depois se quiser.
Because if it is available, then it makes more sense.
Se tiver
Fenugreek,
fenugreek,
it is here. Fenugreek is available here in Portugal.
tem aqui em Portugal.
If you can just tell them Portuguese name.
Fenogrego, vocês encontram aqui em Portugal, nas ervanárias, mas é mais comum encontrá-lo para se fazer chá, para se fazer uma infusão, e tomar uma infusão, não usado para usar na cozinha, nos refogados e isso, mas na Índia usam-no mais para cozinhar, para refogar, para juntar no início do refogado. Mas aqui em Portugal é mais para infusão, para os diabetes, para controlar o nível de açúcar no sangue, por exemplo. Também é um afrodisíaco feminino.
Mas ele vai falar.
Ok. Mas em Portugal nós usamos geralmente o fenogrego de uma forma diferente do que na Índia. É isso.
He's saying that in Portugal they use it a different way than in India.
We used to do infusions.
Of fenugreek.
Yes.
Doesn't matter which root, which way we use.
And the plant, the leaves, you also use
In India, we use the leaves as well.
the leaves also.
Yeah, like
okay.
we use salads, we use fenugreek seeds in India.
Eles usam a folha e a semente.
Okay, maybe I'll quickly go through the utility of it, and if you are interested, you can use it.
Ele vai falar os benefícios se você
Fenugreek by all means leaves or seeds which are here.
é a folha ou a semente.
Can reduce cholesterol, it's proved.
Reduz colesterol,
Can reduce sugar in diabetic people.
Yeah.
o açúcar na diabetes,
Can reduce obesity.
obesidade.
So these three are great utilities for today.
Esses três são muito úteis.
Then because it's a spice, it helps digestion.
Também ajuda a digestão.
And one more important use you can see in the middle of the slide.
Mas um que está ali no meio
it has an affinity to act on this portion of the body, the lumbar region.
ajuda na lombar,
So the lumbar pain can be reduced
reduz dor lombar.
with intaking fenugreek.
Se você come fenugreek,
So you just put it in your food as well? Or do you cook with it? You just put
No.
it like a spice on your food?
Yes. Or you can powder it and have it as a medicine.
And mix with water, no?
Yes. mixed with water. Because lumbar pain is increasing everywhere in the globe
como a dor lombar está aumentando,
because of driving and postural problems.
porque dirigir, a postura,
Of course, yoga is potent to suggest postures and all.
a yoga ajuda.
But if you add as a complement, besides doing yoga, if you add fenugreek in the client's diet,
Você pode pôr fenugreek na dieta,
that will greatly help.
vai ajudar muito.
It increases breast milk.
Aumenta o leite materno,
Like cumin seeds, fenugreek also increases breast milk. Diarrhea can be treated
diarreia
with fenugreek powder and cumin powder.
com fenugreek.
I have already discussed cholesterol and blood sugar
Colesterol e açúcar no sangue
can be regulated, controlled at domestic level.
pode diminuir.
Means you need not go to industry to purchase medicine for cholesterol and
Não precisa
sugar.
comprar remédio.
It is so simple. Fenugreek, if you add in your diet, your cholesterol will be controlled.
Põe na dieta e colesterol abaixo.
If you have questions, I will wait or I'll go to the
Se
next.
tiverem perguntas, vocês falam.
I think everybody knows turmeric nowadays.
Todo mundo conhece cúrcuma,
Curcuma. This yellow powder.
com amarelo.
It's a great blood purifier.
Ele purifica o sangue.
So for all skin diseases,
Para todos os problemas de pele,
curcuma is a medicine.
é um remédio.
Have you been to India, any one of you?
Já foram para a Índia.
Curcuma is so frequently used in India
É muito usado lá.
that it's a part of our kitchen box, spice box.
Está sempre na cozinha.
Not only that, it's a part of our religious rituals.
Na religião também.
Like when we worship gods, we also offer curcuma to
A
God.
gente oferece cúrcuma para os deuses.
Forgetting that God only has given curcuma to
Aí
us.
esquece que foi Deus que deu
So
cúrcuma,
the cycle is completed.
completando o ciclo.
Lastly, if you ever happen to attend an Indian marriage,
Já foi no casamento indiano,
you will notice that the bride and the groom,
aos noivos,
mostly the brides,
a noiva
as
mais,
a part of religious ritual, curcuma paste is applied to them.
põe pasta de cúrcuma
Why? Because it's a great blood purifier.
e purifica o sangue,
It gives complexion.
dá boa aparência.
And if you want to put it in modern terms, like Occidental medicine terms,
Em termos modernos,
it is an excellent antibiotic,
é um antibiótico,
antibacterial,
antibactericida,
antifungal
antifungo,
agent. So it's a great medicine for all blood related disorders.
todas as coisas do sangue.
If a newborn baby
O recém-nascido,
breastfed by a mother
que está sendo amamentado,
has some minor diseases like cough, cold or diarrhea,
tem diarreia, tosse,
just by adding a little bit of curcuma
põe pouco de cúrcuma
in mother's diet
na dieta da mãe,
helps the baby to come out of the disease.
ajuda o bebê a sarar.
So it is so effective medicine. Some of you must have heard that for all the wounds, open wound,
Todos os machucados,
the then Indians used to just put curcuma powder on it.
eles jogam pote de cúrcuma na Índia.
Let me tell you that before the multinational companies developed,
Antes das multinacionais,
Indian soldiers didn't use Johnson and Johnson
os
products.
soldados indianos não usavam
They
Johnson.
used to have many wounds,
Eles tinham muitos
obviously everywhere in the globe,
ferimentos,
and it is not that all soldiers died because of infection.
eles não morriam por causa de infecção.
Does it make some sense? So there must be something antibiotic, wound healer exists in.
Então tem que ter alguma coisa na cúrcuma
And turmeric is such a medicine.
que é antibactericida e cicatrizante.
Now latest research
Essa pesquisa
has suggested that it can also reduce or prevent dementia.
também ajuda na demência.
Again, you can Google tonight to confirm,
Também pode ver no Google.
because unless you Google, you don't believe. Right? But dementia has no medicine,
Não tem remédio para demência.
but regular use of curcuma in diet can prevent from having
Mas
dementia.
o uso regular de cúrcuma previne.
Then it is research upon and proved that it is excellent anti-diabetic medicine.
Também é bom para diabetes.
So if curcuma is added in diabetic patient's diet, in diabetic patient's food, sugar will be far better controlled.
Vai controlar mais o açúcar do diabetes.
Clove,
Cravo,
it is probably the only spice
é a única especiaria
which is cold by potency.
que é fria.
Most of the spices are hot,
A maioria é quente,
but cloves are cold.
mas essa é fria.
So those who are very intense people, hot by
Quem é muito quente, muito intenso,
or suffering with hyperacidity, etc.,
ela tem muita acidez,
they can include cloves in their everyday spice box.
pode usar cravo.
Its main function is
O principal uso,
whenever vata dosha is increased in the body,
quando o prato é muito alto,
that means there is stiffness, pain,
quando tem dor, rigidez,
or feeling of lock, like lock jaw, anything is stiff.
a mandíbula está presa, qualquer rigidez.
Clove in any form will streamline the things,
O cravo vai ajudar,
means reduce the signals.
vai reduzir.
It can be applied externally
Pode usar externo,
or taken as a herbal tea,
ou como chá,
or I think essential oil is available of clove
como óleo. O óleo tem na vata fixou.
because of its smell, odorous nature.
Ah,
Everybody knows clove has a smell, typical smell.
esse cheiro.
That smell, I would believe that any smelling thing
A verdade é que qualquer coisa com cheiro
is grounding,
é a terra.
connects us to earth, so the water
A gente
basically.
se conecta com a terra e diminui o vata.
Now, surprisingly, cloves are also aphrodisiacs.
Também é afrodisíaco.
They are also galactogogues. So for both males and females, clove.
Pega lactogol, aumenta o leite,
For skin diseases,
problema de pele,
clove powder can be externally applied.
também pode usar.
Please concentrate on the last one.
E o último,
Probably it will change the perspective about clove.
muda a perspectiva também.
Cloves were successfully used to treat syphilis and gonorrhea.
Também ajudou muito no tratamento da sífilis e gonorreia.
You know these diseases?
Conhece?
Before multinational companies took over
Antes das multinacionais,
and before the artificial AIDS epidemic took over,
before
AIDS epidemic is man-made,
a epidemia SR,
right? If you believe. These two were the main diseases due to extramarital things,
existiu,
due to sex-related things, syphilis and gonorrhea.
uma epidemia de doença sexualmente
And easily available medicine like clove used to be used to treat them.
eles usavam cravos para tratar.
In case of diabetic patients,
Pacientes diabéticos,
erectile dysfunction is a concern.
which
Means they find problems in erection, the male
eles têm
property.
problema de ereção, os diabéticos.
So clove is a medicine for that.
Então o cravo também é bom.
Clove can be also used for eye disorders
Problema de olho
and lastly for tooth related
e
things.
dente.
Yes.
For toothache,
Dor de dente.
I think multinational companies have realized it better than us,
As multinacionais já
and
perceberam.
that's why many tooth products like toothpaste,
Por isso muitas pastas
some of the mouthwash, they have clove in it.
cravo,
Cinnamon,
canela,
available here easily.
pasta de chá.
So it is also useful for toothache,
É bom para dor de dente,
for gum problems,
problema na gengiva,
for flatulence,
flatulência,
bloating and flatulence,
inchaço, flatulência,
for minor coughs and colds,
para resfriado e tosse.
Before invention or finding of penicillin,
Antes da penicilina,
cinnamon was traditionally used
usava-se a canela
for tuberculosis
para tuberculose,
and all the lungs disorder
problema de pulmão,
like bronchitis,
bronquite,
pneumonia, and
pneumonia
tuberculosis is the extreme condition.
e tuberculose.
So it's a lung medicine.
É bom trabalhar no pulmão.
It can also be applied externally
Também pode usar uso externo,
to reduce spots on the colored spots on the facial skin.
diminuir mancha na pele,
How you call freckles? You know this term, freckles?
sardas.
You know what I'm trying to say? But it was yet applied in the initial phase. After so many years, if we apply it,
Na
will-
fase inicial, depois de muito tempo não funciona.
now for because I keep on roaming, I know that in the developed countries
Os países desenvolvidos
there are medicines and surgeries for bigger diseases,
têm cirurgia e
complicated conditions.
para problema sério.
But for minor conditions, people really suffer because they don't want to go to
Para coisa
hospital.
mais simples não tem remédio e não dá.
For example, minor headache.
Dor de cabeça pouca.
For minor headache, no one would like to go for MRI
Ninguém
immediately,
quer fazer uma,
right? Or big tests.
grande
But they
teste,
don't know how to tackle with minor headache.
mas a medicina não sabe o que fazer com essas dores de cabeça leves.
Or minor coughing or cold,
Ou tosse, ou um resfriado mais leve.
runny nose, etc.
O nariz que escorre.
Are you getting me? Because I have experienced it in like US, different countries. So even if cinnamon is applied in mixed in water and applied externally,
Se você puser canela no pó,
it will reduce common cold.
vai diminuir o resfriado.
So common cold will be reduced.
But you put the pests in.
Yes.
Onde você vai pôr depois?
No, depending upon where is the problem. If it is headache, we can put it here.
Se for na cabeça,
For
se for-
sinusitis, here and here. If it's a baby having cough or cold, even on the chest region. Or
So
if
you
it's
just mix it with water and apply it.
yes. Or if it is painful area anywhere in the body, we can apply it to reduce the pain. Coriander
coentro,
available here in both forms, like fresh leaves and seeds.
folha e semente.
So coriander is a great medicine because it takes heat out of the body.
Ele tira o calor do corpo.
It is hot by potency, but it reduces heat of the body.
Ele é a potência quente, mas
So it's a miracle.
é milagre.
And that's why it is used for worshipping Ayurveda god, if you know god of Ayurveda.
Usa para venerar os deuses.
The name of Ayurveda god is Dhanvantari.
Dhanvantari.
Like you worship Patanjali in yoga class,
Na yoga é Patanjali,
the god of Ayurveda is Dhanvantari,
na Ayurveda é Dhanvantari.
and this is the medicine of that god.
Esse é o remédio de Dhanvantari.
Why? Because it is hot, but it doesn't increase heat.
Porque ela é quente, mas ele não aumenta o calor.
So if it is taken on a daily basis,
Se tomar todo dia,
kidneys will be properly functioning
o rim vai funcionar bem.
because it is diuretic.
Porque é diurético,
You know the term diuretic? It helps urine to go out easily.
ajuda a urinar.
I would say because of the advancement of the globe,
Por causa do avanço,
use of air conditioning is increasing.
a gente usa muito
Right? Your
ar-condicionado
offices are air conditioned.
no escritório,
You get into the cars which is also air conditioned.
no carro,
Then you go to doctor whose cabin is also air conditioned.
no médico,
Right? So it stops our perspiration.
para a nossa
Do you
transpiração.
agree? To worsen the situation, there is a fashion of using deodorants, deods.
E a gente também usa desodorante.
And some of them they have aluminum in it,
E alguns têm alumínio,
which literally block the pores,
que bloqueia os poros,
which is a pity from health perspective.
que é uma pena.
So if our sweat is forcefully blocked,
Se a gente bloquear nosso suor,
our kidneys get overloaded.
o rim fica sobrecarregado.
Does it make some sense? That's why kidney problems are increasing today.
Por isso que tem mais problema de rim hoje.
Coriander is such a medicine that flushes kidneys.
O coriander é bom porque ele limpa o rim.
which is called diuretic in modern science.
Direto.
It is also known to throw out the toxins out of the body.
E tira as toxinas do corpo.
So if you are put on modern medicine for long term, like 1 month, 2 months,
Se você estiver tomando remédio por 1 ou 2 meses,
there are toxicities of medicines in the
tem
body.
muita toxina no corpo.
So a hot infusion of coriander seeds
Chá de semente de coentro
can be taken daily
pode ser tomado todo dia
and it helps us to throw out the
e
toxins
ajuda a eliminar as toxinas
through the urine.
pela urina.
It is also used for abdominal pain as a domestic medicine,
Para dor abdominal,
diarrhea,
diarreia,
fever,
febre,
polypepsia means in diabetes they need to drink water every now and then.
a necessidade de tomar água
Muito
quando
cedo.
você
So to reduce extreme thirst, coriander can be used.
para reduzir essa sede extrema, o coentro.
Just like many of the spices, edema, pain can be reduced by coriander application.
Edema, dor também reduz.
Now lastly, please concentrate on the last line.
E no último,
Now dementia is increasing nowadays.
tem mais demência hoje em dia.
Everybody has heard about dementia.
Todo mundo já ouviu falar.
Memory problems are increasing.
Problema de memória.
After WhatsApp,
Depois do WhatsApp,
people have stopped remembering their own numbers.
a gente nem lembra.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Means our brains are less functioning probably.
O nosso cérebro funciona menos.
So it's an alert actually, it's a serious thing.
É sério.
So regular use of coriander will ensure the better functioning of our
É
brain.
bom também para o cérebro.
Mustard seeds,
Semente de mostarda.
you know mustard, everyone? Available here in Portugal. Let us go into details. It is pungent,
É picante,
it is hot,
quente,
it is intense,
intenso
and it is unctuous, means oily.
e é oleoso.
Probably you know that mustard oil is available.
Tem óleo de mostarda.
Here it is not available.
Yes.
Okay. But in India, in some parts of India, it is used for cooking as well.
Na Índia eles usam para cozinhar.
Now, I will say something about mythology, but we will not go into details.
Na mitologia,
The then Indians believe in demons, evil spirits,
tem demônio, espírito mau.
invisible bad spirits, etc. And they used to burn mustard seeds
Eles queimavam a semente de mostarda
to fight with these invisible powers.
para lutar contra esses poderes invisíveis.
Now science has revealed
A ciência aprovou,
that mustard seeds had aromatic oils in it,
tem óleo aromático,
and if you put them on fire
usando fogo
or you use them for braising the food,
ou para pôr na
means food
comida,
processing, the oils get separated,
sai o óleo,
and again just like turmeric powder, it is antibacterial,
ele é antibactericida,
antifungal,
fungo.
etc. So it's a great medicine actually.
So the essential oil, no?
Yes. You know Indian curry, most of you must have
Óleo
tasted.
indiano,
So in Indian curry, mustard seeds are used to burst in oil first,
eles
and
põem
then the curry is made.
semente.
So it can reduce most of the infections.
Reduz as infecções.
For spleen disorders,
É problema na
spleen is here, liver is on right side, spleen on
na
left.
vesícula biliar.
If you know spleen disorders means blood cells related problems.
Yes.
Problema com as células do
Mustard.
Reserve of the corpo.
Mustard is a good medicine for spleen related problems.
Então, a semente de mostarda é bom para o baço, para problemas de baço.
For itching,
Coceira,
mustard can be used by any different means.
pode usar também.
Means we can externally apply the powder,
Pôr o pó,
we can use mustard oil if it is available,
óleo,
or easiest way to use in India at least is to burn the mustard seeds.
você queima a semente.
Even if the smoke touches the itching part, itching will go down.
Só com a fumaça já melhora.
You know worm infestation, worms in the tummy,
É lombriga,
which is very common in school going children.
nas crianças, né?
So mustard is a medicine for that. only precaution about mustard is
O cuidado que tem que ter
because it is very strong,
muito forte.
it shouldn't be put in ice.
Não pode pôr no olho.
Nutmeg, that's what
Noz moscada.
available here in Portuguese. Okay, has everybody seen nutmeg? Because I want to learn from you now. It's time to learn again. Everybody has seen nutmeg? Okay, please tell me which part of the body it reminds us. Yes, I appreciate. Thank you. If we cut the nutmeg,
Yes.
there are striations inside.
Yes.
So actually it is Almighty's gift, nature's gift to us, suggesting of our brain or head or neck, brain. Right? So nutmeg is a great medicine acting here. We'll cover the other uses and end with the same. So it is astringent in action.
É astringente.
Maybe they need an explanation. So astringent is an Ayurvedic concept which means to do like this action.
Ele seca. Ele contrai astringente o sabor.
Taking things closer, like aftershave lotion for example.
Loção
Yes.
depois pós-barbear.
So for all cuts and wounds, astringent things will close the wound.
Para tudo que ela vai fechar, ela vai cicatrizar, ajudar a cicatrizar.
I can see that you find it difficult to know what is astringent,
É difícil entender o que
but
é.
they know it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I find it very nicely to explain it.
Yeah, most of the unripe fruits are astringent.
É aquele sabor da banana verde.
Yeah,
Resseca.
yeah like this.
This
This actually is astringent.
Ou mesmo.
So all astringent things, including nutmeg, they stop the motion. Any motion. If it is bleeding, it will be stopped. If it is diarrhea, it will be still stopped. If it is vomiting, it will be still stopped. So nutmeg is a medicine for diarrhea. Shall I continue? In India, we would like to know because coffee is very popular here, cafe,
Yes.
which is basically not Indian, but in India, in many households for diarrhea, the first thing which is done is coffee with nutmeg powder in it is given.
Wow.
And it works greatly. Diarrhea stops.
Para diarreia,
Okay, irritable bowel syndrome, some of you must have heard. Irritable bowel syndrome. Like diarrhea.
síndrome do colo.
Nutmeg is a medicine for that.
A noz moscada é muito bom.
Insomnia, sleep disorders, because nutmeg has affinity to act on brain, it is an insomnia medicine.
É bom que isso.
I think we can use with milk before.
Yes, thank you. For insomnia, because milk is helpful for giving sleep and nutmeg is also helpful. So if we warm milk and nutmeg powder and have it at night time, that's a great sleep medicine.
Is it antidepressant?
Nutmeg, it is not really depressive, but because it has affinity to
No,
act
it
on
is someone who is depressed should take nutmeg. Is it good for depression?
not good but not bad as well.
But no.
Not a medicine for depression. Why? Because it is astringent. For depression they need stimulators. Nutmeg also can be externally applied for headache, swelling, pain.
Dor de cabeça, inchaço, dor. É que eu acho que todo mundo está entendendo.
And
No sentido
nullifies
que-
full smell.
Sorry?
Nullifies full smell.
Bad smell.
Entende?
Okay, some people, clinical examples of bad smell are bad breath. Then some of them who have sinusitis for many months, they even smell it here, means bad smell from inside. Then diarrhea, then foul